Thanks for staying with us. It's time now for the business news. A member of the private sector is raising concerns this evening about rising oil prices and the impact it could have on businesses in Jamaica. Chairman of Continental Baking Company, Gary Butch Henderson, told the Business Day that increasing oil prices could reverse the progress Jamaica has made in achieving a stable inflation rate.
I think everybody should be concerned. A concern just not only from, as a manufacturer, that's a concern for me because we're a high energy user. But the other side of it, there's your personal life. Everybody has to pay a light bill, buy gasoline. So yes, it's something we need to be concerned about. It's something maybe we should try and conserve. It could mean more money for everything because that is a catalyst to drive, inflation. It's one of it. And as a country, we have to be worried about it because we've done such a good job of holding inflation to a minimum. It could change this year.
Now, lower inflation rates have made it easier for local businesses to grow and expand their operations over the past year. But higher oil prices pose a serious threat to that growth. The Continental Baking Company boss believes that limiting external impacts on inflation will help.
For the first time in my adult life, we were able to plan. There have been other times when it didn't move at all, but here again, this is nice. We can plan, not only because it's a low inflation, but interest rates are low, the dollar is stable. Hey, time for Jamaica to move. Notwithstanding higher energy costs that might be affecting us, we can move. If we move fast enough, we grow, the energy costs won't matter.
In the meantime, the price of oil settled lower today. Oil for delivery in July ended the day selling for $71.84 a barrel. It was down by 36 cents. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Stay with us. News from overseas after the break.